Friends, I will be giving demo for applying IBBS Agricultural Field Officer examination. For this, you have to go for IBBS website, that is ibbs.in. In that website, you have to click the CRP Specialist Officer. In this menu, the first one will be the application link, that is Common Requirement Process for Specialist Officer 11. You have to click this, then click this link, that is apply online examination for common requirement process. Then click here for new registration. Friends, you have to be very careful while filling this application. You have to make sure that every information you have given is correct. While after submitting your application, you cannot change anything in this application. So while applying itself, you have to be very careful that you have given correct information, or that you have given your right spelling for your name and your mobile number, mail ID, and the photograph should be in the specified size, and your eligibility criteria like date of passing, etc. should be filled very carefully. Here is that you have to mention type your name, and you have to retype your name for confirmation, then your middle name and last name. Then you should give your mobile number, and you should confirm your mobile number. Then you can give if you have alternate mobile number. Then another one is this mail ID, that means you have to give your email ID. Then you have to confirm the email ID. Then you can type this security code, and you can click this save and next. You will be redirected to the next one. Friends, after completing the basic information, you will receive the SMS and email. That information, application number and password will be given in that SMS. So you have to make sure that you have received the SMS. Then second one is the uploading the photo and signature. You have to upload this photo and signature. You have to make sure that the photo and signature should be in the specified size mentioned in the application. Friends, after uploading your photo and signature, you have to click the next. Then there will be the third part, that is details regarding your basic details, then your qualification, then your preference. Friends, here is the third part, that is details of your examination. Here there is three parts: basic, then your qualification, basic information, your qualification, your preference. Here is the list of posts that you can apply. You should select the agricultural field officer, then the category, then if you have the disability, yes or no. Then here is some of the details regarding the disability. Then if you are a minority and your religion, and if you are a ex-serviceman, yes or no. Then regarding if you have appeared the examination before, and then you are working or not, like that. Friends, I have filled all the details. Then I am giving this validate your details. Then it shows that validated successful. That means you have given all the required information. Then you can move to the next part, educational qualification. That is, you should select your stream, then duration of course, then date of passing. Date of passing will be in your final semester mark sheet. Then percentage of marks, you have to convert your OGPA to percentage, then that is grade. Then you have required computer knowledge or not. Most of the candidates will be studied computer as a subject in UG program, so you can select yes, and you have to here select as a IT as subject in the undergraduation course. Then regarding the experience details, if you have employed, you should give where you have employed, then the details. Then some of the information regarding the language you have known, then whether you have any criminal proceedings against you or not. Friends, here is the preference details. That is, we have to give the preference for the listed banks. Based on the preference and marks only, they will allot the banks to you, so that you have to be very carefully fill the preference based on your vacancies, or while by getting advice from the some of the senior aspirants, you can fill the banking preference. Friends, after giving preference, your application will be available for preview, so that you should check that the information provided you are correct, and your spelling, your email id, mobile number, and your graduation details, and your bank preference, all those things you should check once in this preview of this application. And you have to tick the check boxes in below the photo and signature, that you have to check that I confirm that this is my photo. Friends, another one important is that declaration. You have to agree the declaration, that you have to tick this too, and you should not click this, because if you click this, you cannot submit your application. Then again, you have to upload the left thumb impression and handwritten declaration. The details of the handwritten declaration will be given in the notification itself. Then file should be in specified size. After uploading that, entering the security code, you have to give the save and next. Friends, after entering the security code, you should submit and you can make the payment. For payment, you can use credit card, debit card, internet banking, or some UPI ID like Google Pay. You can pay through any of these mode. After making the payment, your application will be successfully submitted, and you will get the confirmation mail and SMS from the IBPS. That's it guys, this is the information about the application. While applying, you should be very careful and make sure that you are giving the correct information, and the information will be verified at the time of interview. That's it guys, all the best for your examination. Thank you, and stay tuned with this channel, and I will be uploading some of the videos related to the examination. Thank you.